Welcome to a second update in this bull market, which is Q4 of 2021. It's massive. We are running into a bull cycle once again. Massive breakout of Bitcoin. What is next? Most likely altcoin party. It's also almost weekend, which might be great for the altcoins. So we're going to discuss that. We're also going to discuss the markets overall. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the YouTube update. And finally, do not forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where you can find daily content regarding the markets from my personal brand, where I post everything regarding markets. Yes. Also, because of this breakout and the start of Q4, we've got a special discount, which is 25% recurring on a membership if you become a member today, tomorrow, Sunday, and latest Monday. How does it work? You go to our website, 8global.com. When you get all those memberships, you can click on one of them, which you would like to do. Silver, you get trade IDs and setups. Gold, you get my strategy and everything, including with silver and advanced educational content. So if you want gold, you click on that both thingy, and then you've got have a coupon. Click here to enter your code, and then you put in there 8to-moon, apply, and here we go, 25% discount, which will be for every month that you stay as a member. And the longer you stay, the more you know, the more you will be learning. So if you want to use it, don't forget to do so. Looking at the markets. At this stage, we can see that there's something strange happening. All right. So first of all, Bitcoin is making a massive breakout, and I've got a clean chart because of the fact that it's actually quite bullish. But what do we see as well? We do see that the indices in which the US stock markets are still dropping. They still made a new low, and they are bouncing back swiftly from that low. Is the correction over? Might be the case. If we use Fibonacci extension, we might be getting close to it from this corrective move, but the month has started in a red candle. It's depending on how next week goes, but that is strange, as in the past week we have been dropping down alongside with the equity markets, and right now the equity markets are still not showing too much strength, while crypto is breaking out heavily. We also got the infrastructure bill, which was done yesterday, in which it got through the actual house. And we also know that Powell has stated that they don't want to ban cryptocurrencies, and Gary Gensler actually proved or stated that he's in favor of a Bitcoin ETF, and we've got like 6 or 7 lining up for a potential ETF during the coming 2 months. What we see here with the dollar is that we're dropping down a little bit today, while in the actual run up, Bitcoin has been crushed and has been seeing some pain. So we do see this corrective move, and due to that, we see a big breakout of Bitcoin at this stage, which is a massive. However, as you can see on the chart already, resistance. We got resistance here, and that is not too bad, as resistance overall could be stated as an area where you can short, but overall we can state that the entire breakdown has been shifted, in which the trend has changed. We have discussed this earlier. We have stated, okay, well, if we are going to break through 44k, you don't really want to see it hang around 44 even more. You clearly want to see a heavy breakout, which is the fact right now. Based on the daily time frame, we are into resistance, but given our recent lower high, we've cracked the trend and we have flipped towards a bullish perspective, in which we're most likely going to continue moving upwards. So then we are again making a new higher low, and then if we correct this area around 48k, we want to create a new higher high, which is going to be around the all-time high most likely. Looking at the lower time frames at this point, we can see this breakout, right? So we do see this support area that we have been, whoa, why is it not working properly, sir? Hello, thank you. We can see that we're into support here, which is a massive support. We have been testing it multiple times, and we've also been seeing the potential falling wedge structure, right? Then we also concluded the following. We got this level here, and we've been breaking out of that level, and we got a swift move to the upside. What did actually happen is the next question. Well, what we also see is that if you look back on the upside, right, we got a move up, people start longing in this area. Their stop is beneath this recent low or beneath this one. So what we have is that if price drops back into the range or beneath this support level, or it was used to be resistance and had to become support, probably will be getting triggered by all the stops here and also liquidations by high leverage traders. And we get an actually chain reaction by people selling into this drop because they see the price dropping down back into the range. They want to sell their spot positions, causing a chain reaction on the markets. So what we then see is that we also crack this one, getting another trigger going, and then you get a heavy shakedown as all those liquidity taps are done. So then you get a long squeeze in which the market cascades downwards in a very fast manner. The opposite took place today. So if you inverse this chart, you get the following. We've got this lower high, we've got a funding that is negative, in which most of the people are eager to short the markets. We've also been seeing that we got into resistance where people are still eager to short the markets, and all of a sudden we break out above this recent lower high, through which shorts are getting squeezed or stops are getting hit. Another one gets squeezed here as people have stops there too, and we got a chain reaction by people buying the actual breakout as they have FOMO. Instead of buying at support, they want to buy here, causing a chain reaction in which the move actually took place within an hour, and then you get all the way back towards the next resistance zone, which we just saw, and that's what's happening on and off. That's what's being caused by such a big move, or that's what actually happened. Good part here is that we broke back above, and if we want to get any corrective move at all, I think you don't really want to see it go that far down. I think you want the deepest you want to see it go is this level around 45k. So if we are going to have some consolidation in this area, 45 is the deepest. However, I do not believe that we get there all the way. I just believe we're going to have some sideways action before we're going to break to the upside once again. And most likely altcoins are going to follow suit. Looking at altcoins, we see a little bit of pain today, right? Overall, in a swift move like that with Bitcoin, you will most likely have some pain on the markets, as this wick here assumes that there is some sells on ETH Bitcoin as the algorithms are just getting clean, but overall the structure is still intact. So most likely when Bitcoin is going to consolidate, ETH against Bitcoin or altcoins against Bitcoin are going to break out, and as it's a weekend, that is going to most likely be happening in the weekend overall. Looking at ETH against USDT, we can see the exact same but in a minor form. So we did break above this resistance zone, and you clearly want to keep it sustained above that area. Technically you can drop towards the area around 3k, but overall you want to have some consolidation before continuation in this zone here too. So is Altseason going to happen? I think we are literally on the edge of a big bull cycle to be happening once again. Tomorrow I'll be discussing the big altcoin that I'm looking at that might be breaking out heavily, and on Sunday we might be doing a fundamental video once again. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, enjoy the markets, enjoy FIFA. I'll see you soon.